10 harsh truths about life that most people learn too late. Imagine this. You spend years helping someone. You support them when they're struggling. You answer their calls. You give them your time, your energy, and sometimes even your money. Then one day life gets difficult for you. You need help. You call them. No answer. You send a message. No reply. And suddenly you realize a painful truth. Maybe they didn't value you as much as you valued them. The most important lessons in life are not taught in school. They're learned through disappointment, heartbreak, failure, betrayal, and experience. Today, we're going to talk about 10 harsh truths about life that most people discover too late. The sooner you understand them, the less suffering you'll face. Let's begin. Number 1. Most people love you for what you provide, not for who you are. This is a difficult truth to accept. But many relationships are based on value and convenience. At work, people appreciate you as long as you're useful. In business, people respect you as long as you're profitable. Even some friendships exist because both sides gain something. This doesn't mean genuine love doesn't exist. It does, but it's much rarer than most people think. Don't judge people by their words. Judge them by how they treat you when they no longer need something. Time reveals everyone's true intentions. Number 2, the more successful you become, the fewer people will celebrate you. When you're struggling, people often support you. But when you start winning, things change. Some people become distant, others become jealous, and some quietly hope you fail. Many people can tolerate your pain. Few can tolerate your success. That's why seeking approval from everyone is a losing game. Focus on your goals, not on applause, because the people who criticize you usually aren't living your life. Number 3, money isn't everything, but lack of money affects almost everything. People often say money can't buy happiness, and that's true, but money can buy security. It can pay for healthcare, it can provide education, it can create opportunities. Many family problems are not caused by a lack of love, they're caused by financial stress. Don't worship money, but don't ignore its importance either. Money is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used wisely or foolishly. Number 4, nobody is coming to save you. This may be one of the most important truths you'll ever hear. Many people spend years waiting for motivation, waiting for the perfect opportunity, waiting for someone to help them. But life doesn't work that way. Nobody is going to wake up early for your dreams. Nobody is going to build your future for you. Nobody is going to do the hard work on your behalf. The moment you take full responsibility for your life is the moment your life begins to change. Number 5, time is more valuable than money. Money lost can be earned again. Time lost cannot. Every day that passes is gone forever. One day you'll look back and realize how quickly everything happened. The years you thought you had will disappear faster than you expected. That's why successful people protect their time. They understand that every hour spent on meaningless distractions is a piece of life they will never get back. Spend your time carefully, because you're spending your life. Number 6, comfort is often the enemy of greatness. Most people don't fail, they settle. They find a comfortable routine, a predictable paycheck, a safe life, and slowly their biggest dreams begin to fade away. Growth rarely happens inside your comfort zone. Almost every major achievement requires discomfort. Risk, sacrifice, uncertainty. If you want extraordinary results, you must be willing to do what feels uncomfortable. Number 7, people respect results more than intentions. The world doesn't reward potential, it rewards action. Thousands of people talk about starting a business, writing a book, launching a YouTube channel, learning a new skill, but very few actually do it. Your plans don't change your life, your actions do. Talk less, execute more. Let your results speak for themselves. Number 8, life is not fair. Good people suffer, hardworking people fail. Dishonest people sometimes win. This reality frustrates many people because we want life to be fair, but fairness is not guaranteed. The sooner you accept this, the more peaceful you'll become. Instead of asking, why is this happening to me? Ask, what can I do next? Focus on what you can control. Let go of what you cannot. Number 9, your biggest competition is the person you were yesterday. Social media has convinced people that life is a competition against everyone else, but it isn't. The real competition is between who you are today and who you were yesterday. Are you improving? learning? Are you becoming stronger? Comparing yourself to others is exhausting. Comparing yourself to your former self is empowering. Focus on progress, not perfection. Number 10. One day, almost everyone will forget you. This may be the hardest truth of all. 100 years from now, most of us will be forgotten. Our possessions, our achievements, our arguments, our insecurities, most of it won't matter. So why spend your life worrying about what everyone thinks? Why hold grudges? Why let fear stop you? Life is incredibly short. Don't waste it trying to impress people who won't remember you. Spend it becoming the person you truly want to be. Life is not easy, and these truths are not comfortable. But accepting reality is often the first step toward freedom. Because once you stop fighting reality, you can start building a better life. Remember this, life won't always give you what you want, but it will always teach you what you need to learn. So which of these truths hit you the hardest? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more life lessons, psychology insights, and powerful ideas that can help you grow into a stronger, wiser version of yourself.